How to replace door locks at home and office. Most common happen at home or office is that door keys are broken, missing or left anywhere. It's just simple problem but can cause mood irritation at work, cause important files are inside the drawers or mobile cabinets. Usually, you will call experts to repair and replace the locks and will cost you time and money. In this video you will learn how to replace it on a do-it-yourself DIY work. Materials and tools to be needed. Flat screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, rim lock, screws, hacksaw blade. Step 1. Loosen screw on the broken lock to fully remove it. Note: you can reuse the screws, if the screw head is not yet damaged. Option: if in case the key is lost, use hacksaw to cut the latch of the rim lock as shown. Step 3. Check components of the rim lock set. Step 4. Replace the locked hole with new rim lock set. Step 5. Tighten screws using Phillips or flat screwdriver. Step 6. Test the newly installed drawer lock. We hope that you will learn the replacement of drawer locks in your home and office as easy as ABC. Remember, why spend money on labor when you can do it on your own?